Welcome back. It is 4:45. We've made it. Here we go. It's Friday, and we're going to get these clouds out of here for you. They've been here all week long, and we're starting to see improvements already this morning. I do want to start with two live views. The one on the left side, New Orleans, you can actually see where some of the clouds are breaking down. On the right side there, Slidell, that's I-10 heading towards and away from the Twin Spans. Looking pretty good. No major fog problems, no major drizzle, no wet roadways. Starting off on a great note this morning. Now we're going to warm up today for the first time all week. We're in the 70s. I have us up into the mid 70s this afternoon with some clouds. I don't think we're going to be completely sunny today, but there'll be some sun peeking through at times and not nearly as gloomy as we have been the past 4 days. The weekend looking great too. We have actually a weak cold front coming in tonight that may bring 1 or 2 light sprinkles. If you're heading out to anything this evening outside, have maybe an umbrella or a rain jacket just in case. Not anything heavy though, no big issues. And then we're looking at sunshine and nice afternoons both Saturday and Sunday. So the weekend as a whole is looking really, really nice. Here's that weak front moving in tonight. It's going to bring in a northerly wind through the weekend. That's about it. Nothing really major going on with that. Now the storm system next week is going to be a much bigger story. This is Monday. Here we go. Warm front coming in. We may see a few showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two on Monday, but the timing of this front has slowed down. And so now we're thinking this is probably going to be mainly a Tuesday event. So this is early Tuesday morning, some storms off to our west, and then rolling in by Tuesday morning, with the colder air coming in by Tuesday afternoon. Now with that being said, there are still some uncertainties with the exact timing. That could still change around some, so don't write Tuesday morning down in stone, but it's looking like that's the most likely scenario. There is a threat for severe weather with this one. The one thing that might help us out here, especially south of the lake, are our cooler waters. The waters are in the 60s, and sometimes whenever we have the cooler waters, that can help stabilize the atmosphere slightly and limit the severe weather threat. We will see if that happens, but we will be keeping an eye on that threat for strong winds and maybe tornadoes into early Tuesday. We'll be here tracking it for you. If you're traveling Monday or Tuesday, watching for that here locally, but Wednesday is when the Northeast is going to be dealing with this big storm system, maybe even some snow. And then Thanksgiving Day looking okay across a big part of the country. We might still have some rain in the Gulf with a few lingering clouds, but for now I'm going with a dry Thanksgiving Day. And chilly too. So look at our 7-day forecast. We go from 75 to 74, 73 through the weekend. Temperatures are feeling great. We'll see it spike on Monday ahead of that cold front. Tuesday is going to be the weird day where it's warmer in the morning and then chillier in the afternoon, because the cold front comes in, and as it does so, we'll watch for those strong storms. And then look, we go from the 70s to the 60s, and I'm going with a high of only 58 for Thanksgiving Day.